Welcome to our step-by-step SOLIDWORKS tutorial, where today we're exploring how to add two-dimensional contact between the follower's roller and the cam in a cam-follower mechanism. This technique prevents parts from penetrating each other during motion, crucial for accurate motion studies in SOLIDWORKS. Let's start by opening our cam-follower mechanism assembly, prepared specifically for this practice. This assembly allows us to simulate the critical interaction between the cam and follower roller. With our assembly ready, navigate to the top of the screen and tap on the new Motion Study icon. Here, we'll select Motion Analysis from the drop-down list, choosing it as our study type for a comprehensive simulation. Click on the Contact icon in the Motion Study toolbar. Then, in the Contact Property Manager, under the Contact Type section, choose the Curves option to define two-dimensional contact. For Curve 1, select the roller curve of our follower. This curve is crucial for our interaction. To gather all curves over the cam surface, named Curve 2, click Selection Manager. This ensures every point of contact is accounted for. Importantly, check the option Curves Always Touch. This setting guarantees continuous curve-to-curve contact, essential for our cam and follower mechanism. Once selected, click on the green checkmark to apply our contact settings. This action defines the interaction between our cam and follower roller. Now let's add a motor element with a speed of 10 RPM to the camshaft. This motor will drive the rotational motion of our assembly. To maintain continuous contact between the follower's roller and the cam, we'll add a spring between the rod and the follower guide. This spring ensures the mechanism operates as intended. With everything set up, it's time to run our simulation. Click on the Calculate icon to see how the cam and follower interact. Watch as the 2D contact we've defined prevents penetration and simulates realistic motion. Congratulations! You've successfully set up two-dimensional contact in a SOLIDWORKS Motion study, simulating the precise interaction between a cam and follower roller. Experiment with different settings and components to further enhance your motion studies. Thank you for following along and keep designing with SOLIDWORKS.